Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
We were doing business letters. I discussed with you yesterday. Good morning, children. You told me you have done letters placing orders and letters of complaint, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Two types of letters are already done. Good morning. There is one more type of letter which is left, and that is inquiry letter. The last business
Good
letter
morning,
that
ma'am.
you. Good morning, beta. Inquiry letter. Okay.
Good
We have
morning,
already
ma'am.
done. Good morning, children. Now listen. There are three types of business letters. Number one is placing orders. Have we done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Letter of complaint. Have we done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are left with only one kind of a letter in the business category. That is letter of inquiry. Okay, tell me quickly, what are the three kinds of letters we have business letters in the syllabus?
Ma'am, inquiry, complaint.
Inquiry, placing letter.
Okay. One of you check out in the participants list. All of them are your class students or not? Quickly check out and let me know. Chalo. Just have a look.
Yes, ma'am.
All of them are classmates? Chalo. See, beta, this you're planning to organize a tour to Kulu Manali. Write a letter to this agency asking about facilities and details. This I will not tell you. This I have already discussed with you. कि कैसे लिखते हैं, address कैसे लिखते हैं, date कैसे लिखते हैं. We've already done it many times. Please read this letter. Inquiring about package tour. Please read it quickly. Are we complaining? Are we placing order or are we doing an inquiry?
Ma'am, inquiry.
Inquiry.
What do you mean by inquiry, children? What does this mean, inquiry? क्या मतलब होता है?
I'm asking.
Very good. Asking for details. Asking for further details. Please read the letter.
Information.
Yes, very good. Asking for further information. Read the letter quickly. Let us discuss it after this. Today we'll finish business letters. Read very carefully. We are going to discuss each point.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of itinerary?
Beta, itinerary is sequence of events. For example, first day, what will we do? 10 o'clock, what we'll do? Then 12 o'clock, what we'll do? Everything in a sequence. That is itinerary.
Okay, ma'am.
Like supposing we are going out for 3 days. Supposing we go to Nainital for 3 days. We'll prepare an itinerary first. First day, कहाँ घूमने जाएंगे? Where are we going to go? Second day, third day, कहाँ जाएंगे? This is what we call as itinerary. Haseen is there. Anand is there in your class only? Anand Kumar is there? Okay. Rest I know. Haseen and Bhumika, I know them. Agrim also is there. I know him. Okay. Fine. Harshit? Harshit Kumar? Chale, let him. Now after this, I will not admit anybody. Understood the word itinerary? Supposing we are going for a 5 days tour to Rajasthan. So we will plan. First day we'll go to Jaipur. Jaipur में ये दिखना है, and then next day we'll go to Udaipur. We'll see this. So this is how we plan our itinerary. Come on, children. Just read it quickly. I will discuss with you.
Done, ma'am.
Whenever you finish doing a task, just raise your hands so that I know how many are done. Okay, beta. Now, one of you read out this letter quickly, loudly. Read quickly. Who will read? Yes, beta. Who is going to read? Bache, come on, one of you read out. Nobody is going to read.
Ma'am, what?
I want you to read out this letter. One of you loudly. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, ma'am. Rohtak, past for a week, we are a group of 50 students, 5 teachers, and 3 peons. We plan to leave on the morning of 1st June. We wish your reputed company to arrange for this trip. We are sure that you will make our journey and stay very comfort. Kindly us with the following details: kind of accommodation, arrangement of meal, mode of traveling, provision of sightseeing, any other facility, cost of package. Kindly send us our. Ma'am, what is this written?
Help your friend. Come on, help your friend.
Ma'am, brochure.
Brochure. What do we call it as?
Brochure.
Yes, which contains all details that how much money they will take, what all those things. That is brochure. Okay. Case continue.
Brochure and itinerary and your earliest. A quick response will be appreciated. Your faithfully, Mr. Ashima, Senior Coordinator.
Good.
Not
So what is
Mr.
she
Ashima.
asking? What is she asking, Ashima? What details?
Remember about the package of our trip.
Yes, beta. About the package of the trip. Package of the trip means? क्या
Ma'am,
पूछेंगे?
Ma'am, the trip.
all the things that come in the trip.
All the things like
Ma'am, cost, arrangement of meals, what facilities we will.
very good. Supposing we are going somewhere. So what all we plan? Where are we going to stay? You know? And how much money will be charged? These are the things we do. Yes or no? We do or we don't, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Such a letter is known as letter of
Inquiry.
we have done how many kinds of business letters now? Jaldi se bataiye. The first one was letter placing
Order.
orders. Which was the second one?
Ma'am, letters to the editor.
Letter to the editor is a different letter. That is not a business letter. Okay. Abhi we are just discussing about business letters. Letter to editor, no doubt we have already done, but now we are talking about business letters. Which is the first category of business letter I just discussed? We have done. You tell me.
I'm placing order.
Placing order. Second category we had done was letter of
Complaint.
very nice. And now we are doing the third letter, that is letter of inquiry. Now you have to write a letter. Listen carefully. You'll be writing a letter. And Chaliye, where do you want to go? Plan somewhere?
I'm going to Manali.
Okay, you're going to Manali. Fine. How many days?
Ma'am, 1 week.
1 week. Oh, long tour. Chaliye, never mind. Next. Who all is going? Which class will be going?
Ma'am, 10th B.
Acha, very smart, huh? Only 10th B will be going. That is nice. And then tell children, give more clues. What all we are going to write, discuss.
Ma'am, that how we will go.
And which people
Date of
you want to speak to? Which tour and travel company?
Ma'am, any company.
Yes, monitor class 10th B, because only 10th B is going. So we cannot have the school head boy or head girl writing it. So we'll have only the monitor writing this kind of a letter for details. Is it okay? Class monitor. When you write your name, what is the designation you'll get? Class monitor.
Class monitor.
Okay. You'll be giving it as class monitor. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
School, which school will we be writing?
Ma'am, ESA International School. ESA International.
Okay. Yes. Good. So are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Should we start writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Chalo. If you have, can we first discuss before writing what all we'll write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. First, let's discuss. It'll be easier for you people. Tell me some new ideas apart from what is already written. Ye to hai ye. What new ideas can you tell us to be written?
Ma'am, what the destination we will see?
Okay. Sightseeing places. Good. What else? Children, please speak out.
Ma'am, about the hotels.
Uh-huh.
What?
Okay. About the
For the
hotels.
staying place.
Fine.
Ma'am, some historical places.
Yes. Maybe if there are some historical places, we can always opt for that as well. Anything
Main
else?
attractions of that
Ma'am,
place.
jungle safari.
Oh, yes. If you are going to a hilly area, we can always talk about a safari, no doubt. But if you're going to Rajasthan and all, then we'll not talk about safari. I hope we'll know to keep these things in mind. So we are not going, we can talk about safari because we are going to which place?
Manali.
Yes, we are going to
Manali.
Manali. So we can talk about this. Okay, next. Okay, what all things you will ask regarding money and all, how you will write, how you will ask?
Ma'am, what the package costs?
Cost of the package. Yes, very good. So when we say cost of the package, it means everything. Where we are going to stay, how much they're going to charge us for staying, all these things.
Ma'am,
will be-
what is the
Hmm.
food in meal?
What meals will be provided, what star hotel will be staying, 5-star, or they're going to put us in a, what do you call that? Hey, what do you call them in Hindi? In English, we call them as inn, INN, sarais. Okay. Very, very sasta wala hotels. Inn. What do we call them as? Inns.
Inn.
INN. What are they called? Inns in English. So we need to discuss with them now. Otherwise, they will put us anywhere. If we will not talk to them, they will put us anywhere. Okay. Any other doubts before we start writing?
Ma'am, we will write the letter.
We will write the letter. Yes, of course. At least one inquiry letter has to be written. You've not even written one inquiry letter as of now. We've
Ma'am,
written
we
letters.
have to write in.
Write in your fair
Inquiry.
notebook.
Ma'am, inquiry करेंगे किससे?
Ma'am,
किससे
ma'am,
करेंगे? Same
Ma'am,
company you
manager.
don't know? The manager ABC Travels. I'm giving you the name of the company. Which company?
ABC Travels.
Yes. And you are your name and the what is your designation?
Ma'am, the monitor. Last
class
10
monitor.
Yes. You're the class monitor. 10th B, you're the class monitor. Perfect. Go ahead. Sender's
Ma'am, we
address?
have
Can I have the revision
to write
format?
in the points only.
Yes, beta, it would be better. Inquiry letters if they are written in points. So that the person who is sending the inquiry does not forget to send you any details. कुछ भी भूलेंगे नहीं वो लोग. I hope you are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you have not run away for breakfast or something. No, no.
No,
You have a break after this, huh? Whatever you want to do in that break. Abhi likhiye, hurry up.
ma'am, what will the sender's address?
You write your name of the school, SI International School, Bareilly, because we are writing a letter on behalf of the school, beta. Everybody should write, my dear children, don't run away.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in the letter we will write, ma'am, that ma'am where we are going.
Yes, beta. Otherwise, how will he tell you? है ना? How will he tell you? Otherwise.
Ma'am, how can we start a letter like this?
How can we start? How are we starting, children? This is not good. You should start from this. We are a group of 50 students, 5 teachers and 3 peons, and are planning to go to Rohtang Pass for a week. Start like this. What they have started is not a better way or a good way of doing it. है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Have you posted on the group? Can I read it? Hanchi bache. I'm asking, have you posted on the group?
Ma'am, just sending.
Okay.
Ma'am, sent.
Okay, he has already sent. I'm going to check. Students, I would suggest everybody to read what he has written. Read it once. All of you, please read. I am also reading. Let everybody read. Let's read. SI International School, Bareilly. Beta, Bareilly should be close to the margin. Okay? Okay, beta?
Yes,
Yes or no?
ma'am.
And do not write the pin code in the bracket. Cut that bracket. Bracket is not needed. And Bareilly should be written S ke niche. Bilkul just below S. 25th November. There should be a comma after November. Chali, do the corrections, then you'll have to post it again. After November, there will be a comma. The manager, T has to be capital. The ka T should be capital. And why is ABC going that side? It should stick to the margin. Everything should stick to the margin. Okay? ABC company, next line should be the city. Where is ABC company? Bareilly.
Yes, ma'am, Bareilly.
So in the next line, first you should write Bareilly, then the pin code. And beta pin code is not to be put in the bracket. You do one thing, sender's address, date and receiver's address, write and post again. Sender's address, date, comma after November and receiver's address. This much you do and post again. Hurry up, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, ma'am, can we write?
Can we write what? Tell.
Ma'am, city name after.
After the pin code? No.
Yes, ma'am.
No. First city name, then pin code. You can cut this line and then you can write again. Write again. Sender's name, date, receiver's address. Just this part. Do it again.
Ma'am, send.
Okay. Now I'm checking again. Okay. I'm going back on the group and checking again. See, children, if you'll post, you'll get to know your mistakes. So it will be better for you as well. Let me see. SI International School, Bareilly, fine. Why have you put a line in front of Bareilly? Cut that line. Dash is not needed.
Ma'am,
Acha,
this
that-
means it is
Acha.
stuck to the margin.
Okay, this means this. Fine, beta. Then it's okay. Inquiring about package. We are a group of, okay, group of 5 teachers. We plan to go to Manali in the morning. We wish your company, okay, to plan the trip for us. Okay. Only this much? Where is, acha, where is the rest of the part? Acha, upar hai, okay. Arrangements, hotel, cost, kindly send us your brochure. Good. Okay, Ayush, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Plus, you did it so quickly. Okay, let's see who's posted next. We have somebody, Kavya. Let's see what Kavya has written. SI International School, Bareilly. 19th June. Kavya, the comma will come after June.
Okay,
doing the
ma'am.
corrections. And the date is what? 19.
Yes, ma'am.
So write TH, 19th June, TH. Put TH also. Cut the comma from 19, put it after June, ABC Company, Manali, very good. Inquiring about packaging tour. नहीं बेटा, package of tour, not packaging. Packaging means किसी चीज को pack करना. So inquiry about
By
package of
mistake.
tour. Change that. Package. Tour package or package of the tour. We are 5 students, 3 teachers. We all are planning to go to Manali for 1 week. Arrange a trip. Arrangement of mode of traveling, historical. Kindly. What is this? Kindly.
Informed us.
No, what have you written? Kindly dash your itinerary. That one. I think he wanted to say send. The word send is missing, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, never mind. Write it. Kindly send us. No, it's okay. Your itinerary at your earliest, nahi, at the earliest. Cut that word your and write the.
Okay, ma'am.
Booking, very good. We are planning to leave on 10th July. 10th July. 10 के आगे put TH. 10th July. Excellent
Okay.
effort, beta. Very nice. Just keep doing the changes. Do it here only. Cut and do the change. No problem. In the fair copy only. I'm absolutely
Ma'am,
okay.
done.
Okay. Whose is this now? After Kavya, who has posted? The name is not there. Thomas
Ma'am, I
Jefferson.
Dhananjay.
Okay,
Dhananjay.
Dhananjay, 16 January. Dhananjay, Hap Travels has gone a little away from the margin. H should be close to the margin. Like you have
Okay, ma'am.
written T, like you have written T for Thomas. Okay, just below T. It should be just below the T part. It should not go away from the margin. Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Hap Travels, vacations. And don't write Uttar Pradesh, write the name of the city. State does not have a pin code. Pin code is only for cities. So cut Uttar Pradesh, write the name of the city. The rest it is okay. Subject inquiring about package tour. Dear sir, we are a group of 50 students. Oh, many children are going there, Dhananjay. Your reputed company journey stay very comfortable. Okay. Next is very nice kind of accommodation, mode of travel, provisions. Kindly send us your brochure and itinerary at your earliest. Better make it at the earliest. Maybe it was wrong in the book, that is why. Rest everything is good. Very nice. Good effort. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, we have Shreya sending us. Shreya, where is the pin code of Bareilly? And there should be no comma after Bareilly. Please cut that comma, Shreya.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you all remember Thursday you have a test of business skills.
Yes, ma'am.
So cut the comma after Bareilly, write the pin code. Obviously, we don't know the pin code. Just write 123 XXX if you don't know the pin code, or write anything you feel like. Manager ABCD Manali. Same thing, beta. Cut the comma after Manali and write the pin code. Anything, any pin code you write, 2345, anything. Inquiring about package tour. We are a group of 50 students, 5 teachers, 2 peons. Okay. Kind of accommodation, arrangements, sightseeing. Kindly send us your brochure and itinerary at the earliest. Yours faithfully, Shreya. Excellent. What about others? What are the other students doing?
Just a second, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the syllabus for UT?
UT, you will have the same thing. You'll have business letters and letter to the editor in the writing section. And then in the grammar section, we have done modals, determiners, prepositions. And of course, comprehension passage is also there.
Ma'am, I posted.
Okay. I'll have to give you more practice of those graph wala passages. You remember we had done analyzing graphs.
Yes, ma'am.
More practice I'll. Is it okay, children? We'll have some more practice on that as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Because normal comprehensions, you're confident doing it. The second part is something new, that graphs that we have. Reading a graph. analyzing a
Consent.
graph. Okay, let me go back on the group and check what has been sent. 10th B, so many groups. Okay. Yes, Ramsha, she has sent. Let me read. June 5, subject, inquiring about package tour. Family furnish, wow. Very nice vocabulary used, Ramsha. Agrim has also posted. After Ramsha, let me read what Agrim has written. Agrim, there is no need to put a comma after Bareilly. Cut the comma after Bareilly in both senders and receiver's address. Okay. Rest everything I'm seeing seems to be correct. I'll just write my remark. Subject. Where is dear sir?